Happy New Year and welcome back to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Well, what better way to start the year than to draw a beautiful drawing of a cat sleeping? All that you're going to need is something round to draw around. I'm using this board. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, your choice of black pen and some plain white paper. And don't forget, if you like to draw animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you'll find in the link just here. So let's get started. We're going to start off using a circular object, just putting it just slightly towards the bottom part of the page and drawing round it with a pencil. Just draw really lightly to start off with. These are just the preparatory lines. I'm drawing a little bit heavier just so that you can see it on camera. So there we go. Next, towards the lower half of the circle, we're going to be drawing a shape like this. So just copy what I do. Our cat's going to be sleeping on a bed, so these are just the bed clothes. Okay, just a shape like that. Next, we're going to be doing the cat's head, so it's just an oval shape just here. If you can imagine a line going through the center of the circle, we'll do it in the left-hand part of this circle. Okay, so just draw a shape just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's kind of like an oval. More like an egg shape actually. There we go. Bring it round a bit more. Just going to erase this inner line that I did. There we go. Excellent. Remember, if I go too quickly, just pause and rewind. Next, we're going to be doing the little button nose just down here. Just draw a little triangle, just like that. Okay. Draw a line coming up. One comes to the right. And then one comes to the left like this. Okay, draw a line underneath and a line underneath here. And then for the ears, so we've got one ear here, so just triangle up like that. And we have another one on the other side. So just a triangle like so. Okay. Next, we're going to add the tail, which is just peeping out from under the chin. Go up and down and round. And then for one of the legs, so leg just comes up and down. Now I'm going to switch to pen only so that you can see it on camera, but please carry on in pencil, okay? Now, let's do the nose. So just drawing little indentation like that for the nostrils, and another one there, the bottom part and the top part. Okay, then we're going to bring it round and down just like that, and then the same on the other side, down and round. Now we're going to draw the eyes, so I'm just going to kind of lightly do that line that we did before. And then the eyes, so this cat's just falling asleep. It's very, very sleepy. His eyes are just almost shut. Then the same on the other side. Just like that. Very almost shut, the eyes. There we go. You can just see a little slither of the pupil there, a little slither of the pupil there. It's just about to fall asleep. Okay, so now we're going to draw the ears. So we're going to do one ear up like this, comes down, just like so. Draw a little bit of fur inside, just with a little jagged line. Just going to draw the outside of the ear. There we go. And then the other one over here. So this one goes up. And then round. And then a little jagged line just to show that there's fur inside. And then around like this. Okay, and then some fur round like that. Okay, next we're going to draw the paws, but before we do that, we're just going to draw this. It's kind of like it's the bed sheets that the cat's sleeping on the bed. So let's just draw this bed sheet in here. Just going to extend it just like that. This comes down a bit more. And then extend it this way as well. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to add the paws like we were going to. Okay, so one big paw here, little toes. There we go. And then the other paw just peeping out round from here. So just one toe like that. Draw another toe. And then one more behind there. Okay, you can't see its claws because it's got them all retracted. Okay, let's finish off this head. So, but there, just going to draw the back of the head, just like that, and then a little bit more fur, just coming out like that. Now the rest of the body. So just from the top of this paw here, just going to draw the back of the neck, and then that comes in where we did the preparatory line, and then follows on and we join up with this circle that we did before. Follow the circle all the way around, all the way around. Doesn't matter if you go out of the lines. Now we're going to do the tails. So just starting a little bit higher than we did it before. This tail's going to come in like this, but we're going to draw some jagged lines just like this, just to show that it's furry. And then we're going to draw the other leg, so just coming in round like this, round the back like that. And then, oh, I've forgotten to do the bottom lip, so let's just add the little bottom lip like that. There we go, looks a lot more normal now. I'm just going to add some more detail to the bed sheets, just so that it looks like it's actually lying down in the bed sheet. So just some lines, just copy what I'm doing. A few creases in the sheets over here. There we go. And then the top of the bed, and then the one round there. So I'm just going to erase all the pencil lines. And if you haven't gone over it in pen yet, please go over it in pen first and then erase the pencil lines. Okay, now we're going to add the finishing touches. So first of all, the whiskers. So just draw a few dots here, and then a few little whiskers just coming out like so. And also a couple of the eyebrows like that. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow just down here. So I'm just going to add a little bit of dark black underneath here, particularly under the chin as well, and also just in between the leg and the head, and just a little bit here as well, just to give it a little bit of depth. A little bit of shadow over here, and a little bit of shadow over here. Okay, a bit more here. And there we have our finished cat drawing. If you've enjoyed it, please consider hitting subscribe and like, and check out this other one on how to draw a cat. I'm sure you're going to like it. Thanks very much for joining me today. Bye bye.